Okay, this is the entry. If you go to the right, looks like we have a utility closet, bedroom. Oh, look at those little built-ins. Closet. Coming out, you can see the foyer. And to the left is a full bath. All right. Back into the foyer. And here's the living room. Let's see what's here behind this door. Okay, here's the other room. Looks like they're using it as an office. Another closet. It's a nice, bright room. It has pocket doors. Okay, and here's the living room. Nice ceilings. It's nice and clean in here. It smells good. Here's the master. Nice walk-in closet. And here's another, looks like a linen closet. Alrighty. Here's your bathroom. Double sinks. Shower. And cute little vanity. Alright. That's the master. Okay, we're gonna living room and eat in. It's the dining room, living room combo. Well, let's go to the kitchen. It's a little nook for a picture or something. Okay, nice size kitchen. This is a tile floor. Nice island. And then you got a little bar that you can look out into the living room. Another little, it's an eat-in kitchen. Then here's another little room. Holy moly. Oh, this is, you said your little jam room, I think. It's, well, I don't know, because it's a laundry room too. And then here's your hot water heater. Oh, you have a central vac. Nice. They have shelving. This is, I'm gonna go upstairs. Oh, that's the little screen from the kitchen where the sink is. That's different. Okay, here's another room. Let's see, that's probably little insulation rooms. Okay, open off this little. Yeah, storage. Okay. Let's see what's behind this one. Okay, it's just another closet. Let's see what's over here. It must be, yeah, it's little areas where you can store stuff. Alrighty. Okay, back down the stairs. And of course, this is tile as well. Go in the garage. Wow, they're moving. They're all packed up. But yeah, so it looks like a one-car garage, but it's deep, so you, I don't know if you can put two cars in there back to back. I'm not sure. And here's a door that you can access from the outside. All right, but then off the kitchen, because here's the kitchen again, eat in. Here's a little Carolina room. You can get to that from the dining room or from the kitchen. It's enclosed. It has vents, so it must be temperature controlled. But as you can tell, it's an add-on. But it does have vents, so that means something. And here's the other half of the Carolina room. Now this isn't temperature controlled. And here's your little white picket fence. How cute. The backyard. Wow, you got wood. It's a wooded area back there. I don't know how far your property line will go back into that wooded area, but this is all fenced in. And then here's the little shed. Okay, I'm not going in there, but it looks like they have all the lawn for the gardening stuff. But it's a cute house. Very cute. All right. Back in through the kitchen. One last look. Living room. And here's your view of the door.